How to log in to Universal Credit Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Universal Credit Card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one website option. Sign into your Universal Credit Card account. For that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you will see the option of sign in. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now from here you can easily access your account. All you have to do is fill these, provide your credentials. Firstly type in the username, then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Universal Credit Card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.